we wanted to write, say something about love. Love is consciousness level 500 and over. And we saw that 500 was the level of the bagpipes. Isn't that interesting? So the sound of the bagpipes is the sound of the heart of mankind. The reason everybody cries when they hear the bagpipes coming is because it's the sound, the energy field of the heart of mankind. And so classically, the people who have been in the service especially will have the bagpipes at their funeral, yes? Because it expresses that kind of love. Love consciousness level 500. It starts out as feeling warmth towards other people. It expresses appreciation. I know somebody who was very demanding and disliked as a consequence. And she never expresses appreciation for anything. Would you mind when you go to town getting me 52 pounds of potatoes and hauling them home? And then when you get them home, she doesn't even say, gee, thanks. Consequently, as time goes on, people are less and less willing to do things for her. So a simple thank you makes a tremendous difference. People say, well, that's just being polite. No, it's not just being polite. It's acknowledging the worth of other human beings in your world. So you appreciate and you give thanks. Love level 500 and over. It shows appreciation. Love is supportive. You mutual support. Love is also forgiving. So if the world makes a mistake, you're willing to forgive it. If people make a mistake, you're willing to forgive them. So the willingness to forgive marks a truly spiritual person. The willingness to forgive, to let bygones be bygones. And I think the 12-step group emphasizes the same thing. Live one day at a time and let bygones be bygones. Somebody did you a bad term, the people in the group will tell you, well, that was yesterday. That was yesterday. Mm-hmm. Love is also inclusive. It's not exclusive. It's also affectionate, and it has to do with being cordial and gracious. So to be cordial and gracious and acknowledge other people and the gift of their presence. When you say thank you, people think that's just manners. It's not just manners. When you say thank you, you totally change the energy field. You become uplifting. So people above 200 are supporting all of life, and below 200 they are dragging down on it. So when you're uplifting, you are adding to the energy field of all of life, and especially of human life.